it's floored. I'm flooring it and it don't do anything. Okay, I'm flooring it. I don't know. It wants to run, but it's not running. I just went for a ride though. It won't start up and go again. Wish we could figure this problem out.